what looks like a very strong V recovery is playing out on a WENA stock. WENA has a low float. The stock has been plunging since Tuesday, the Tuesday the 18th of June, reached a new 52-week low of around a 52-week low of 1.67 yesterday, the 25th of June. Today, as you can see, it has rebounded now at $3.6, a gain of around 120%. The company indicated today that it's received a patent in Europe for the use of its Klotho gene sequence and gene delivery systems for the treatment of diminished cognition, memory loss, dementia, and other neurodegenerative diseases. And it plans to start product development and further expand its intellectual property portfolios into Asian markets this year, 2024. So yes, we're looking at a V recovery, a V bounce, a very steep one, steep decline, steep rebound. What are the odds that this is going to continue? But in any case, it's a 1 minute chart, printed highs of around the intraday high of 5.11 has already printed on this 1 minute chart. So coming back to this daily chart, we have this upper projection of 4.71. The probability that this will be surpassed is, get this, 88.6%. The probability that target will be met and surpassed is 86.6%. It's 6.61%. The probability that the current trend will be in place is around 11.391%. But the reason why we have this very bullish probability is because we used, we used a higher moving averages to determine this probability. But if you go by, I know, yes, indeed, because the stock is also trading at a huge discount to all of its moving averages. As a matter of fact, there's nothing to be afraid of. Its 10-day moving average is just right on that, almost right on that projection. So there's nothing to be really. We're not presenting an alternative probability. This is what the probability is pretty much. A rebound is pretty much on the cards. Or rather, higher prices are very much likely because statistically, the 10-day moving average, which to a great extent is the best short-term indication. Is rather the best short-term moving average. It's currently trading at a huge premium to its current price right now. The price is 3.68 and that moving average is at 4.63. So if you put that together, you get a probability that looks like what we determine here, 88.6%. And that is where, and as a matter of fact, it's a validation of where it's just telling you where things are. The bulk of the price points are all very much around here. They are very much around. I would say, let's just put it down modestly, around $5. So if you have a probability that it will rebound, the probability that it will surpass 4.72%, if you have a very high probability that it will, that the probability of 4.72% will, so the probability that you have a probability of 88% that 4.72% will be met and surpassed, then it shouldn't be out of place. It shouldn't be out of place because the average price is way higher than what is currently trading now. So that's the nature of what the probabilities are. So it just takes cognizance of what's going on. But given that it has also run up a huge amount of gain in just one session, expect more weakness to occur. There's no guarantee that even in as much as that the probability is very high that we're going to see something that it will eventually do so. But also, amongst other things as well, on the other hand, it has a very low float. So volatility is definitely expected. So as a matter of fact, this is a sort of thing that you see with low float stocks, highly volatile, and that is a validation of things that are going on right now. So let's have a look at it. Before we go ahead, this is the projection, the next upper projection on this daily chart is 4.71. The one above that is 4.98. So if we have 88%, then all these other projections will also have higher probably. They will also be around that sort of ballpark as well. So 5.72 is the most upper projection. Okay, so let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. We might find closer near projections. We have 4.32 is the next projection. Above that we have 6.05. This is higher than 6.11. This is higher than what we have, but even here you can still find that there are a lot of price actions. It was since a couple of, I would say, since May, it was fluctuating around there, consolidating around that $6 range. So there's a good chance that if you want to determine the probability here, you might get a decent one. But the 10 period moving average is 10 period moving average on this daily chart is not exactly fantastic. It's trading at a discount because this is a short term. This is a 4-hour chart. So you will find that it has recorded much. It's recording the prices. It has recorded a lot of prices. So you can expect that its 10 period moving average would have reacted to what's going on right now, and it's already hasn't reacted yet. It hasn't reacted. It's trading at 2.36. So on this 4-hour chart, the probability of a retracement is very high. Okay, this is more of what's going on right now. This is more of a validation. This is the probabilities here is trying to tell you, trying to remind you that it has run up a gain of around 120%. That it has to be trading at a premium to some of its moving averages, and we have seen it here. The 10 period moving average here is at 2.36. You can see it up here. That's where it is, 2.36. You can see that, $2.36, and it's currently at $3.64. So but yeah, let's have a look at its 3-hour chart and see. 3-hour chart, we have 4.4 is next upper projection, all the way towards 6.13, pretty much like what we have on the 4-hour chart. See here as well, the 10 period moving average is equally indicating it's equally trading at a discount to its current price right now. So this is its 2-hour chart. We have 6.11 as well, most upper projection. The one above that is the one below that is 4.38, and then the one slightly above that is 3.75. It's something that can easily print at any point in time. Yeah. So any point having a look at 1-hour chart. Let's see the 1-hour chart. We have we saw a rejection not very long ago from at around 4.54. The projection above where it is 4.05. Then below where it is we have 3.44. The most upper projection is 5.78. Yeah. So let's have a look. We already have we're looking at it here already, but there are no projections here. Here on this 1-minute chart on the trading view, the most upper projection is a $4.6. Below that we have 3.75. So below that we have 3.43. Yeah. So yeah, WENA, low float. It's gotten a patent in Europe for its drug, its treatment. Have a look and see what you make of it. It has a mix of probabilities. Going on its daily chart, the probability of a rebound towards 4.72 on even higher prices looks really promising. But in the very short interval charts, it's indicating that you have to be careful. You have to be careful. It's just reminding you that this 122.4% is just happened not very long ago, and that its 10 period moving averages, its short-term moving averages are still at a discount. So volatility is there, and it's expected that a contraction may occur, but it also has a low float as well. Volatility is very high. That's why we have this. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Yeah, that's why we have this very sharp V plot, very sharp V plot. The stuff of highly volatile stocks, and being a low float one, this wouldn't be out of place. We can actually, let's have a look and see if we can see that on here on Think and Swim. Let's see. This is the most we can. Can't see anything like that. We can't see. Yeah, as a matter of fact, you can see it actually traded intraday low of 1.24. When was that? 1.24. That was today, very early today. 1.24. So dramatic scenes. Yeah, highly volatile, low float. Yeah. So once again, have a look and see what you make of it, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.